Welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the GoveeLife Smart Air Purifier. To set it up, first make sure it's plugged in, then download the Govee app. Once installed, we're going to go ahead and open the app. So as you can see, I already have a few of the Govee items connected through the app. To add this one, simply go ahead and click the plus mark on the top right. Once we do that, we can already see that this device is popping up. If this doesn't pop up, you can just use the search bar and type in H7126 and it should pop up. From here, we're going to click add. Now, once we see the Wi-Fi indicator flashing, we'll simply tap on the power button. You'll have the option to create a custom name or simply leave it as the default. From here, you'll enter your Wi-Fi information. Once you enter that info, the device will be connected and you'll click on the power button. Your air purifier is now up and running. You'll have a few options to pick from. These include custom, sleeping, low, and high. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see more videos.